or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man, or just give me a call. Over here at European Autowerks Sequim, Washington. We did both packages on here, plus a rug shampoo. It needed a rug shampoo really badly. Wax this. This has got a protectant coating of gel coat wax on it. Windshield wipers, they needed to be restored, so I restored those also too to brand new. The wax job turned out fantastic. Highly detailed car. Very nice car. They have a lot of kids. Buffed out the tail lights and the headlights. Cleaned inside of the wheel wells, inside of the rims. You can see in there. I always clean the inside of the rims. Get the brake dust off of it. Look at that shine. It's never been waxed before today. All of the plastic and rubber has been treated and restored because it needed it. And it always gets treated anyway, whether it needs it or not, because it will sooner or later need to be treated, so we'll do it before it needs to be, every single time. Always clean inside of the door jambs well. Dashboard, center console, cup holders, everything gets treated well. Windows washed inside and out. Had a lot of candy, sticky candy that we had to, it was stuck in places, but it's gone now. All the doors treated well. Cracks and crevices. Always. Shampooed the carpet, of course. Needed it really bad. You know, with a lot of kids, sometimes you just have to do that. Lots of stains, young kids. You would never even know a child was in this car now, but you could tell before. This is European Autowerks in Sequim, Washington. I do a lot of foreign cars here. I've been seeing lots of Mercedes and Jaguars and Audis, Subarus. It's right off of the freeway here on the River Road, across the street from Taco Time. Nice coat of, this is plastic, so I put a nice gel coat on the plastic to restore it. It was really faded. Waxed the roof. Roofs always get waxed and buffed. Polished out, buffed out. This is plastic. It needed gel coat on it, so it got it. Know it gets it whether it needs it or not, because this is called prevention of deterioration. Is what it's not only restoration, but we want. My goal is to prevent the car from deteriorating. That's what makes it worth it. and you know, the car will look better. It looks good for not only you know, today, but it'll be looking good for months and months and months. But buffed out the light here, of course. This one too. It's a good looking car. 7-passenger car. You guys have a great day.